Hello, and welcome to the Cinema 4D Artist. When creating Hierarchies new object manager here, you can also find yourself drag and drop in objects on top of each other. When you creating new objects, however, this is always needed. What you can do, simply select an object, hold down Alt, or you click to create, for example, hypernerbs. You can see the hypernerbs is now parents of our objects. To make a new object to child's, hold down Shift, or you click to create another object. This object is now child of the cube. To up an object at the same level in the hierarchies, hold down Ctrl and click again. As you can see, the torus is now at the same level as the cube. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our tutorials, please like, comment and subscribe.